the mountain pole. Don't punch it like you were actually in a fight. You're like doing the see ya later. And keep them in front of your face. You don't blast with punches.
Yes, Mandy.
I should be like two hits to knock one out.
Yes, Mandy.
Who?
Mandy.
No, okay, fine. You know that in this game.
Oh, come on! I wanted some of that old action crazy stuff you were doing before.
You don't understand, like, everything.
Oh my god.
This is really hard. Cry?
No,
Oh,
I'm
you're
good.
videotaping. Yeah, like, no. Let me finish.
I keep on shaking.
Oh, no! You're killing me, Nicole. What the heck? You know how much this is like lowering my score, yo. I've never got knocked down before. Boxing knocked out. Please save you, please. You're gonna die, Nicole. I'm doing red. No, you're not. You're losing.
No, I'm not. I'm
Yes, you
blue.
are.
I'm blue.
You're red. That's you. You're almost
No,
dead.
I'm blue.
No, you're red.
Look at, I have blue gloves on, idiot.
But red's your light. Yeah.
I'm sorry, but this is like too funny.
Look, see? Oh my god, I'm tired.
Fight! Fight! Fight!
Look at me.
Now you're gonna lose. Oh, that's why it's so hard for you, because I'm on such a higher level that they gave me a really, really hard one. Oh. I died! Ah! If I lose, oh, I was gonna say. If I lose, I'm gonna personally take the red.
You didn't get up and you keep dancing.
Did I win? Did I win? No. Wait, I don't know. Yeah, he won. Alright. Let me redeem myself, please.